In this example, we will learn how to complete probability distribution. Suppose that the genders of the 3 children of a certain family are soon to be revealed. Outcomes are thus triples of girls G and boys B, which we write as GBG, BBB, and so on. For each outcome, let R be the random variable counting the number of girls in each outcome. So R is concerned with number of girls. For example, if the outcome is GBB, then R of GBB is 1 because there's only one girl in this particular arrangement of genders. Suppose that the random variable x is defined in terms of R as follows. X is equal to 2 times r squared minus 4r minus 1. So we have an algebraic expression that explains to us how variable will be distributed. The values of r are the following. So we have a table, and the table says that all possible outcomes are listed, and there are 8 of them, and values of x using this formula can be computed, and they come out to be -1, -3, -3, -1, -3, -1, 5, and 1 for corresponding arrangements of boys and girls. We need to calculate the probability distribution function of x, or we denote it as probability of variable x of any specific value of x. First, we need to fill in the first row with the values of x. Then we fill in the appropriate probabilities in the second row. So let's try to sort through this. There's a lot of notation going on here. So what are the values of small x of variable x? We can see. Well, remember that the outcomes we got, values of x, happen to be these, -1, -3, and 5 in some shape or form. Some were repeated, some were not. So the values of x you're going to enter, the unique outcomes you ever got in this particular example is -3 came out, -1 came out, and 5 came out. So the corresponding probabilities assigned to these outcomes will come from the frequencies. How many times did 3 occur? Well, notice I already color-coded everything. 3 occurred 3 times out of 8. So I'm writing 3/8 is my probability. How many times did -1 occur? Well, -1 occurred 1, 2, 3, 4 times in this distribution. Therefore, 4 out of 8, or 1/2, is what I would type right there. Finally, how many times did 5 occur? 5 occurred only 1 time. So 1 out of 8 is the corresponding probability to this variable outcome.